I shall be explaining how to use the program PowerFTP. And this is what the logo looks like. Now I will explain how to enter the username and password and the machine name inside PowerFTP. When you start the PowerFTP application, you have to press this plus button here to add the machine name information. Once you have the machine name information, I'll just show it to you through the edit. Basically, when you press the plus sign, you will end up it will ask for the domain and IP. Here you enter hdb1.remote-support.space and the port is 10,000. The type is FTPS, and then the username which you enter is the username that you have from the server, and then the password. And that is all you need to enter in PowerFTP to use the heavy data backup. Then you press this check mark button to save the information, and then to press the back button to get back to the main menu. And here you will have this entry. When you first start PowerFTP, there will be no entries, but after you do press this plus button to create this entry, you will have this one. And then to connect to the server, you just click on this entry and it will say connecting, and press OK on these messages. And then you will have the server folders on the top and the local folders, which means the folders on your mobile below. In the incoming directory, you can press these three dot buttons to create a new directory. If you press on this folder with a plus sign, you can actually create a folder and you put in the name. You can type a name for it and say OK. And that folder will be created. For example, I just created this folder. If I go inside that folder, it will be empty. If I want to copy a whole folder, for example, if I want to copy my pictures into it, I'll click on camera. Or if I want to copy the whole folder, all I have to do is select the camera. It will say selected, and then I press this upload button over here with the cloud with the upload. When you press that, it will start transferring the files. And that is how you copy a complete folder into the server. How you can download files to your place. For example, I will say up. Any folder you want to copy to, you can select the whole folder. Similarly, you can this cloud up there, when you press the download button, it will copy that into your folder here. For example, I will go into the downloads folder, and then in the server folder I will press this down arrow button on the cloud. And now what it is doing, it is copying the files from my server into my download folder. So that is how you upload and download files from your mobile into the server using PowerFTP.